Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can run EXE files on your Android device without needing a Windows PC. And yes, real Windows programs and even some small games right on your phone. Let's jump in. So just a quick note before we start, not every Windows program will run perfectly. So heavy apps like full PC games or big software probably won't work. But simple EXE tools such as lightweight apps and old school programs, those work surprisingly well. So the easiest way to run EXE files on Android is using an app called WinLater. So think of it as a mini Windows emulator built right onto your phone. So you can just download the WinLater from the official website. So just find WinLater app in here. You can find it in the winlater.org. Install the APK, download, and after that here you can just open the application and create a default container. You can click on the plus button at the top and here choose the resolution and performance settings, and you can just click on a check icon. So it will create a default container to your application. You can just hit on a play button and this will be opened. So after this, you can just add the application and select your EXE file. Just wait. So this is how it will look like. It will look like a computer like this. So just select your EXE file and then tap on run, and just like that your window app should open right inside Android. So most tools and older games run really well with WinLater. You can also use alternative apps such as Wine for Android. Just do the same, download the APK and run it on your Android device, browse to your EXE and just launch it. So this method, the Wine for Android, work best for older Windows program or simple tools. So that's it. That's how you can run Windows EXE apps on your Android device with no PC required. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a like, click on a thanks, subscribe, and also comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.